Ladies and gentlemen, it is exactly 2 weeks to the day that Kolkata erupted in protests as the half-naked body of a young doctor was discovered in the premises of the RG Kar Hospital. Doctors struck work and sat on the streets. Nothing has convinced them to report back to work. Not the CBI inquiry, not the sacking of the principal, not the request of the Supreme Court, not even the setting up of a task force that will come up with guidelines to ensure their safety. Doctors continue to be on the streets insistent on one thing. They want a central protection law for themselves. Now, there is no word from the center on that. Instead, the Health Ministry is breaking its head over is black robes and caps that are worn by doctors on convocations. So the Health Ministry of India, in the middle of this ongoing crisis, has sent a directive to all central government hospitals to do away with what they are calling this colonial dress code. This has many people, including doctors, questioning the Health Ministry's priorities. That you're more bothered with what a doctor wears to a convocation ceremony than how safe doctors are in hospitals. Question, ladies and gentlemen, is that a fair criticism? And is it fair for doctors not to call off their strike even after the Supreme Court's intervention? That is what I'm talking about with my guests this evening. Let me quickly introduce them to you. Rajshri Lahiri is spokesperson of the BJP. He's joining us on the broadcast. He's joining us from the studio. Saket Gokhale is an MP of the Rajya Sabha. He's also the national spokesperson of the TMC. Dr. Sanjeev Bagai is chairperson of the Nephron Clinic. And Dr. Syed Faizan Ahmed is the chief resident surgeon at the KGMU, which is in Lucknow. He's also the national vice president of the AIMSA. I'm, of course, going to come to Dr. Syed first. Dr. Syed, before I go to the politicians, I want to hear from the doctors.
Yes, ma'am.
When you saw this notification come in from the government of India, from the Health Ministry, that is focusing on what doctors wear in convocations, that the black robes and the caps are a colonial legacy that need to be done away with, does it sound to you like a case of misplaced priorities? And if yes, then why?
मैम, कोई भी चीज अगर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट करती है तो डॉक्टर्स को उन पर कोई भरोसा नहीं है। अर्लियर भी जब फॉडा ने स्ट्राइक कॉल ऑफ करी थी तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने जो भी चीज बोली थी या जो भी इनको एक्शन होता है, हम लोग किसी भी गवर्नमेंट पर भरोसा नहीं है। हम लोग को भरोसा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया पर, सीबीआई पर। इसी वजह से हम लोग ने अपनी स्ट्राइक कॉल ऑफ नहीं करी, हमने अपनी स्ट्राइक सस्पेंड किया है, क्योंकि हमें भरोसा है कि जो हमारी डॉक्टर साहब हैं, जो जिनका रेप हुआ है, जिनका ब्रूचली मर्डर हुआ है, हमें भरोसा है कि उनको न्याय मिलेगा, उनको इंसाफ मिलेगा। हमें भरोसा है कि आरजीकर मेडिकल कॉलेज में वापस से इतनी बड़ी क्राउड अटैक नहीं करेगी, इतनी बड़ी मॉब अटैक नहीं करेगी, क्योंकि वहां पे सीआरपीएफ को पोस्ट कर दिया गया है। हमें भरोसा है कि जो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ने 13 पॉइंट्स डायरेक्ट करे हैं स्टेट मेडिकल कॉलेज को एंड जितने भी सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट को, मेडिकल कॉलेज को, उनको वो फॉलो करेंगे। इसी भरोसे के बिहाफ पे हम अपनी कॉल को सस्पेंड किया है।
वो नहीं डॉक्टर अहमद, वो तो मैं समझ रही हूँ। आप लोगों ने अपनी कॉल्स, आप लोगों ने अपनी स्ट्राइक सस्पेंड कर दी है, लेकिन कोलकाता में आरजी कार हॉस्पिटल के बाहर जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उन्होंने अभी तक अपनी स्ट्राइक कॉल ऑफ नहीं करी है, क्योंकि वो एक सेंट्रल लॉ की मांग कर रहे हैं। वो कह रहे हैं ठीक है सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो गई है, ठीक है एक टास्क फोर्स सेटअप हो गई है, लेकिन हमको सेंट्रल लॉ चाहिए, बिकॉज ओनली सेंट्रल लॉ कैन कीप अस सेफ। मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने सेंट्रल लॉ के बारे में तो कुछ नहीं बोला है, राइट? लेकिन आज उन्होंने एक नोटिफिकेशन जारी किया है कि डॉक्टर्स जो हैं, जो ब्लैक रोब्स पहनते हैं और ब्लैक कैप्स पहनते हैं अपने कॉन्वोकेशन के टाइम, वो एक कॉलोनियल लेगेसी है, इसलिए दैट हैज टू बी डन अवे विद, उसको हटाना है। डॉक्टर अहमद, मेरा सवाल आपसे पहले यही था कि क्या आपको ये केस ऑफ मिसप्लेस प्रायोरिटीज लगती है कि डॉक्टर्स मांग कुछ रहे हैं और आप बात किसी और चीज की कर रहे हैं?
मैम, ये तो मूविंग अराउंड द बुश वाली बात हो गई ना, कि हमारी डिमांड कुछ है। मैम, जितनी भी पॉलिटिशियंस उसे रिक्वेस्ट है हॉस्पिटल में आके काम करिए, एक आप इमरजेंसी में आके आप काम करिए। इवन अवर ट्राइंग अवर बेस्ट। मैम, नशे में लोग आते हैं, बदतमीजी से बात करते हैं, डॉक्टर्स को मारते हैं। मैम, सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट कोई, मैम हम तो 3 साल की रेजिडेंट है, फिर यहाँ से चले जाएंगे। आगे किसी डॉक्टर को परेशानी ना हो, डेली किसी से असॉल्ट ना हो, इसलिए हम लोग की डिमांड है। मैम आज भी हमारे जो कलीग्स जो है डॉक्टर्स, हम लोग ने अपनी स्ट्राइक सस्पेंड करी, लेकिन स्टिल हम लोग आज ओपीडी में बैठे, हम लोग ब्लैक रिबन के साथ बैठे। और मैम अगर कलकत्ता के डॉक्टर्स ने अपनी स्ट्राइक कॉल ऑफ नहीं करी मैम, उन्होंने वो दर्द, उन्होंने वो दुख, उन्होंने वो चीज, ट्रॉमा, उनको जो ट्रॉमा उन्होंने सफर किया है, वो ट्रॉमा देश के और किसी रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर ने सफर नहीं किया। मैम 4000 मॉब किसी के इंस्टीट्यूट के बाहर खड़ी हो, मैं किसी घर के बाहर, आप समझ लीजिए मेरे घर के बाहर 1000 की मॉब अगर खड़ी हो जाएगी तो मेरी क्या हालत होगी। तो शायद आप मेरी, आप अगर आप पड़ोसी होंगी, आपके ऊपर वो ट्रॉमा नहीं होगा जो मेरे ऊपर होगा। तो आरजी सरकार ने अगर स्ट्राइक कॉल ऑफ नहीं करी, उनके साथ हम अभी भी हैं। और हम ये भी बोलना चाहते हैं आरजी के डॉक्टर से भी कि हम लोग ने स्ट्राइक को कॉल ऑफ नहीं किया है, वी जस्ट सस्पेंडेड। हम लोग वी आर क्लोजली मॉनिटरिंग द केस। अगर हम लोग को लगेगा कि कुछ अप एंड डाउन हो रहा है, देन वी विल कम बैक विद आवर स्ट्रॉन्गर वॉइस।
Okay. Okay. Dr. Bagai, would you want to comment to this? I was just a little surprised by the Health Ministry's notification. They may not be wrong. Of course, black robes are uncomfortable and hot in this hot and humid country. But this was just a case of being tone deaf. At a time when your doctors across India are angry with the entire system, are angry that the system has failed to give them protection, are out on the streets, are protesting. A doctor has been brutally raped and killed within her own hospital. The Health Ministry is coming out, is not talking about the central law that the doctors want. Instead, is coming out with a notification on black robes. Does it sound to you like it's completely tone deaf? Maybe it's not wrong, but this is just the wrong time to come out with something like this.
Good evening, Shreya. Good evening, everyone on panel. And I think these are stressful times for the medical fraternity. I have 4 or 5 very quick points. I think a central law is highly justified. It should be there. And sooner the government gets in, it's better to protect the medical fraternity at large across all age groups. Most of us have seen some sort of hostility, abuse, threat, intimidation, and indeed violence during our course of our career. Point number 2 is, although the Supreme Court has given a huge healing touch, they have mentioned about the National Task Force, and I must add, some of the most eminent and intelligent minds of India have been put together. It's been closely monitored by the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of India has also mentioned issues of the living conditions and the working conditions, let me tell you. And it is going to be supervised and monitored by him. There is an interim report and a final report to be submitted. And all stakeholders' opinions and consensus is going to be taken. So I think it's a huge step forward. The next point is, instead of having the timing of this notification is gone a little bit haywire. This could have been deferred, although the idea is good. But I think it could have been deferred. What I would probably want the Health Ministry to do is to have a state-wise, all the states have a task force or a working committee or an expert committee to look into the local living and working conditions of the resident doctors, including the duty rooms, including a simple cafeteria, clean drinking water, adequate clean toilets, and appropriate working hours. I must add, 36 to 48-hour shifts is completely inhuman. The amount of stress and the workload and the psychological pressures which we go through are completely unforeseen. So I would rather focus on the main priorities just now, give a healing hand and healing touch to the doctors, make them trust and believe what is being said is going to be done. But I want the doctors on the same hand, just 10 seconds more, Shreya. I want the doctors on the other hand to resume the work, because our ultimate aim is not to have any patient in any turmoil or any problem at all. Resume work and trust the system now. I think the message has gone loud and clear pan-India that the doctors are extremely worried and we want things improved.
Dr. Bagai, the problem is that the system has let down India's citizens so many times that it's very difficult to trust it. That is the problem. So I completely am with you that it's been 2 weeks and doctors in Calcutta should go back to work. After all, patients are paramount. You cannot let people die because of your strike. But you have to see the point of view of these striking doctors.
Yes, indeed.
They have been let down way too many times. And I can say this with guarantee. I can write it down for you, Dr. Bagai, that they will be let down again. But Rajshri Lahiri, please help me understand what is the problem with the central law. Look, the point is that the health ministry has been completely toned down. If you had to put out a notification on a Friday evening, the notification should not have been about whether they should wear black robes or white kurtas. In their convocation, it should have been to every state government, please do an audit of your hospitals, see what the conditions that doctors are living in. Simple, right? हर चीज का एक समय होता है और एक माहौल होता है.
बिल्कुल, आप समय की बात जरूर कर सकते हैं मैडम. A central law or any law that can only be done after a draft, a debate, a discussion, everything.
No, there was a draft 2019. You remember this?
Yeah. Let me come.
And the central government developed cold feet because they said that if we give this central law to doctors, we will have to give it to all other professions because other professions will come to us and say we need a central law to protect us as well.
Secondly, health is also a state subject. So there has to be discussion between all the states and the central government. Now, what you're talking about is central law for protection of the doctors. That is the main. ये मुद्दा है. Now, who will implement this law? Who will implement the protection? The state government and the police. And what has the police been doing over here? What the police has been monitoring in the crematorium to dispose of the body at the earliest possible. What has the Supreme Court stated? Never seen such an investigation by a state in 30 years of his career. A Supreme Court judge is stating. What is CBI stating in the court? That deliberate attempts were made to hide and destroy the evidence. Who? The state government run hospital. What did the Supreme Court said? That the FIR was lodged 2 hours after the post-mortem. What is the normal practice? You find somebody dead, there are some mysterious something.
You are saying that West Bengal police didn't do its job. Therefore, we will also do our job.
We are
That is
never,
what you're saying.
never, ma'am. Who's
That is
supposed to
saying
implement?
The
central government is acting on that.
No, who's supposed to bring
the
the law?
central government is acting
How
on
are they
the
acting
law.
on it?
Definitely.
They have
on
deferred
this
the law on
particular
2
case.
occasions. Where are they acting on it? They are not even talking about it.
Ma'am, the government is absolutely sensitive on this. Now let us come to this, what has happened in all these things. If the chief minister of a state who's having a power by constitution is calling up the victim's family and stating that original culprit to pakda gaya hai. When? Before the FIR was lodged. How come the CM is calling up in the evening when the FIR was lodged in the night? Did CM knew something? She was trying to hide something? Who will implement the law? CM is one of them.
You bring the law, then they will implement it.
We will definitely bring the law. We will definitely bring the law. We are doing it at every aspect.
Mr. Lahiri, look at the facts. Look at the facts. A team of doctors did go and meet the health minister. The health minister said not possible. That it is a state subject. Anyhow, I'm just going to get Saket Gokhale into this discussion. Saket Gokhale, the BJP spokesperson here is saying, what is the point? Even if we bring a central protection law for doctors, when it is the state governments and the state police that have to implement it, and the way the West Bengal state police and government have gone, there will be absolutely no faida bringing in this law because the doctors will be as unsafe.
Good evening, Ms. Tondial. Thank you so much. I honestly, right now, we heard the Chief Justice even yesterday say that social media theories are being turned into arguments now. So I don't want to dignify the political bickering right now about CM called in the evening FIR. This is all false, but I don't want to go into it. The Supreme Court proceedings are there in the public domain. What are doctors asking for? I mean, it is embarrassing that our doctors are protesting and politicians are sitting and fighting, doing your sarkar and my sarkar. It's disgusting, frankly. People expect better from us. Central legislation, I'm saying this as a member of parliament, as a duly elected member of parliament. I would be happy if the government of India calls a special session of parliament. We will all attend, we will all debate, discuss the central legislation, and we will support it and get it passed. I'm offering that on behalf of my party. But the question is, the legislation has to be brought, the draft has to be brought in by the government. Now, the BJP spokesperson, very respectfully, said that it is a state subject. Madam, policing is also a state subject. Agriculture is also a state subject. That has not stopped the government from bringing in laws interfering with all these subjects. The BNS was brought, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita was brought in while opposition MPs were suspended. It was passed without a discussion. Law and order is a state subject. Similarly, agriculture, the farm laws passed with a voice vote without the opposition. Agriculture is also a state subject. So this argument about it's a state subject and who will enforce it? I'm sorry, we are one state. Let's say the BJP feels that as
Can
a
the
state we are
honourable
non-functional.
MP
West Bengal is non-functional. But they have their own states. Are they saying that their own state governments are unable to implement a central law to protect doctors? So at the end of the day, look, doctors have been discriminated not just here. We're talking about resident doctors here. We feel their pain. The victim deserves justice, but it's not just doctors here. It starts right from the time of the NEET exam. You saw what happened with the NEET exam this year. You saw the papers being leaked. You saw the fiasco and the politics that has been going on with NEET. Right at the time that a doctor writes an exam to even study to become a doctor, this government is trying to ruin their careers. So resident doctors, their grievances are very justified. But
Saket
this
Gokhale,
government has no intent
while you
beyond
point fingers, but Saket Gokhale, while you point fingers at the central government and their lack of interest in bringing about a central protection law for doctors, the fact is that the trust level doctors have in your government and police is at an all-time low. In fact,
See,
it is in
Ms. Dondi,
negative
I'll
right
tell
now.
you something.
Buried
I'll tell
under
you
this
something.
earth. Yes, you want
Let
to come
me-
in,
let
Raj?
me-
I think
let me respond
before
to that for
Trinamool
1
Congress
second.
person talks about anything, he should firstly
second.
answer. He should firstly
Okay,
I should answer him.
Mr. Gokhale, I'll let you come in a bit.
Mamata Banerjee offered a 10 lakh compensation beforehand? After a rape, a person is offered to be a 10 lakhs of compensation. Secondly,
No, what is the
state-
problem in the? I have a problem with the government thinking it can offer a compensation and get away and wash away with its
No.
But these offering of compensations happen in every state.
No.
And I think it's extremely
Before
distasteful.
anything happened, Mamata Banerjee offered a compensation. Firstly, the hospital people, they called up the victim's family and said it is a case of suicide. The hospital is a state government run hospital. Without the permission, without the knowledge of the principal and the head of the department, and the hospital call up the victim's family, the resident doctor's family, and say that no, this is a suicide, this is not a murder. Secondly, he's talking about NEET. From where did the NEET question papers leaked out? Modhomgram. Where is this Modhomgram? In West Bengal. The press. From where the question papers were leaked out. It got printed. Now let him talk about the CSC, the TET. The people are still.
आप बिहार भूल गए बड़ी interestingly when it comes to paper leaks.
बिल्कुल हम कुछ नहीं
भूल
भूले
गए मुझे
मैडम।
लगता है।
पहले बंगाल में उसको देखिए, अभी भी लोग बैठे हुए हैं, इस बारिश में भी बैठे हुए हैं, योग्य है, जिन्हें नौकरी मिलना चाहिए था, CSC, SSC, टेट, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, फायर ब्रिगेड, सब में नौकरियां चोरी जिस सरकार ने की है, उसके स्पोक्स पर्सन अभी हम पे उंगली उठाएंगे। लॉ हम नहीं ला रहे हैं,
नहीं ला रहे, वो तो
अरे
सही
हम
है, factually correct है।
अरे लॉ तो हम ही लाएंगे।
हाँ।
करेगा तो मोदी ही करेगा और कोई नहीं करेगा, ये सबको मालूम है
कब
मैडम।
करेंगे?
हर
Just a minute, okay.
अभी बोलने से अभी कुछ नहीं होता
अच्छा,
है।
रुकिए Rajshri Lahiri, Saket Gokhale is saying call a joint session of parliament.
अरे मैडम
Introduce-
बुलाया जाएगा ज्वाइंट
introduce
सेशन
the
ऑफ
bill.
पार्लियामेंट। ये लोग तो वॉकआउट कर जाते
नहीं,
हैं,
नहीं,
ये लोग
introduce
पार्लियामेंट
the
में
bill.
बात नहीं करने देते। पार्लियामेंट में देखिए क्या
Introduce
करते हैं ये
the
लोग
bill.
पार्लियामेंट में,
Mr.
पार्लियामेंट
Gokhale,
चलने नहीं देते
एक
हैं।
मिनट रुकिए, Mr. Gokhale is an MP. He's saying bring the bill, we'll ensure it is passed.
इनके एमपी तो रेल मिनिस्टर्स के हाथ से कागज खींच के फाड़ देते हैं, सस्पेंड होते हैं। ये लोग अपना एमपी लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स बेच देते हैं। अभी भी वो मामला चल रहा है, इसको पहले बोलने दीजिए।
आप जरा मुद्दे पे रहिए। Saket Gokhale, in any case, respond to the question I had asked you and the points that Rajshri Lahiri is making, please.
Ms. Dondial, I'll tell you something, okay? The BJP will do its job with politicking. They will not move beyond Mamata Banerjee. It's fine. But honestly, I came on this debate because at the end of the day, the grievances of doctors. Is there a trust deficit with doctors? Perhaps, but it is our job. And let me say it categorically. We might do 99 things right. One thing we might make a mistake. It is human to make a mistake. For example, the day that this incident happened, it was the assistant super from the college who got a little frazzled, called the parents and said, your daughter's died by suicide. It was not right. Someone should have either gone to her home and informed her about it. Second thing, the principal should have been removed immediately. He should not have been sent to another hospital. I'm willing to admit that. The problem is the BJP or the central government will never even admit that they can make a mistake. And that is where the problem lies, because until you admit that you made a mistake, you're not going to look for a solution. So I'm not concerned with them wanting the Bengal government to be toppled, going over talking about every other topic. My point is very simple. Doctors need protection. It is only the union government that can bring in a legislation. Fine. You know what? If the government doesn't want to bring in a legislation, certain MPs who have already filed private memo, already tabled private members' bills, the government take those up. Then if it doesn't want to bring a legislation, we are saying that we will support it. But he's saying MP MPs will walk out, MPs will do this. Hey, boss, 160 MPs were suspended in the winter session, unprecedented in India's history. This is not, these were not MPs who walked out, they were suspended for protesting. So my point is very simple. The BJP will not look beyond politics. They want to hijack the doctors' protest in West Bengal for their political ends. Don't take them seriously because at the elections we've defeated them constantly. Our concern is that yes, lapses have happened as far as doctors' demands are legitimate. So I didn't interrupt you. Please don't interrupt.
2023.
I did not interrupt you. Please don't interrupt me.
2023. No, if you keep
Sir, I did not interrupt
keep
you.
on saying,
I would
if you
appreciate
keep
if you
on
don't
saying
interrupt.
things which are absolutely false,
This doesn't look
your
good. The
government
doctors
has
are watching
fault.
us.
Your government has
Doctors are
failed to
watching us.
protect the
Don't do this.
doctors. You admit
The
that.
doctors are watching. Don't do
2023. RG
I'll
Kar,
request you.
a lady
I request
who
you
was
with folded
killed
hand.
due
This
to
is not a
drug
good look.
overdose. You have
People will not
forgotten
trust us
Puribaho
politicians
Mukherjee
if we
and
do
Dr. Tikwani in National Medical
I'm
College.
requesting you, don't
Are
behave like
people
a
do not
politician,
trust
sir.
Trinamool Congress
Have a
across
little bit of
nation
empathy,
now?
sir. Have a
What
little
you
bit
have
of empathy,
happened?
please.
Dr.
Have a
Yash
little bit of
Tikwani and
empathy.
Dr. Puribaho
People
Mukherjee,
don't
what have
like
you
politicians
done?
for this reason.
He's still suffering of crash
People
skull.
don't like politicians
Yash
for this
Tikwani
reason.
was
Mr.
my
Read
friend.
the room.
I know.
Please read the room. People don't like politicians because of what you're doing right now. Please read the room. Have some
People
empathy.
do not like
Stop
politicians
politicking
like
on
you.
everything.
Please, your government has failed. Accept you stop
Sorry, I
politicking
don't know what
on
to
things
say.
like this.
Rashid Lahiri. Politicians don't like, people don't like politicians in general, whether it's the TMC or the BJP. Just
Absolutely.
accept that reality.
Yeah.
And they don't like them, especially when on an issue like this, they can't be on the same page. That is the truth as well. But my question this evening to Saket Gokhale and to you is, Saket Gokhale, I think all of us can agree that the doctor strike outside RG Kar needs to come to an end. It's been 2 weeks. Point is, the doctors are not willing to listen to you. The doctors are not, more importantly, willing to trust you. What will you do?
Look, Ms. Dondia, we have appealed to the doctors, but forget us. We are the government. The Honorable Supreme Court itself, the Chief Justice of India, who has given as Dr. Bagai said, has given a big healing touch in this, beyond all politics, beyond all governments. The Chief Justice, the Supreme Court has given a healing touch. They've urged the doctors, not for any other reason, but that the patients that come to government hospitals are very underdeprived, very poor patients. They've taken appointments from, 2 years in advance. As far as the trust goes, look, the security on demands of the doctors at RG Kar, the security has been handed over to the central forces. CISF is in control. Their demands have been met as far as you don't trust Kolkata police, fine. The CISF is deployed there. Now, I don't see any reason to prolong this. Sure, if the CBI does not complete the investigation, as the doctor earlier rightly said, suspend it and get back on the streets if the CBI doesn't do justice on time. But now patients need you, and that would be my appeal, and that's also been the appeal of the Honorable Supreme Court of India.
डॉक्टर अहमद, देखिए सब बोल रहे हैं, अब जो जिनको आप अपने साथ समझते हैं, जिनको आप अपने अगेंस्ट समझते हैं, सब बोल रहे हैं 2 हफ्ते हो गए हैं, डॉक्टर्स को जो चाहिए था वो डॉक्टर्स को मिला है. हाँ, एक सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट नहीं मिला है. बियॉन्ड दैट देयर इज नाउ task force in place that will ensure that all hospitals are safe. The Chief Justice of India is overlooking this. The fact is that there are CSF forces as we speak inside and outside RG Kar Hospital. जितना सरकारें कर सकती थी फिलहाल वो उन्होंने कर दिया है. Now it is time for doctors to get back to work. They are perhaps being a little unreasonable by sticking to the streets and not getting back. आप इसको मानते हैं, इस बात को मानते हैं?
मैं सबसे पहले तो आपकी एक बात को करेक्ट करना चाहूंगा. सरकारों को जितना करना था सरकारों ने कुछ नहीं किया. जो किया है वो चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया ने किया, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किया. मैं जिस तरीके से देखा कि स्पोक पर्सन एंड ऑनरेबल एमपी साहब ऐसे लड़ रहे हैं और ये लोग लड़ते रहेंगे आपस में, हम डॉक्टर्स पिटते रहेंगे. मैं आपको एक चीज बहुत अच्छा एक फैक्ट बता आज ही का आपको, हम लोग ये डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि वैसे मैं केजीएमयू की आपको बताऊं कि जब स्ट्राइक चल रही थी, आइडियली मेडिसिन डिपार्टमेंट में ऑन एवरेज इमरजेंसी से 20 to 25 पेशेंट एडमिट होते हैं डेली. जब से स्ट्राइक स्टार्ट हुई तो उनका डेली इमरजेंसी से एडमिशन 50 to 55 हो गया. उसका रीजन ये है कि ओपीडी नहीं हो रही, बट जो जरूरतमंद लोग हैं उनको एडमिट किया जा रहा है, उनका ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है. इमरजेंसी, सेमी इमरजेंसी, जितने भी जरूरतमंद लोग हैं उनका ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है. हम लोग ऐसा नहीं है काम कम हो गया. जितने भी मेडिसिन के डॉक्टर थे, सर्जरी के डॉक्टर्स थे, उनका काम और बढ़ गया था क्योंकि उनको स्ट्राइक में भी जाना होता था. आधे आधे करके लोग काम कर रहे थे. एक काम करो, तुम वार्ड चले जाओ, मैं स्ट्राइक बैठा हूं, जब तुम अपना काम कंप्लीट कर लेना तो फिर मैं आ जाऊंगा. इस तरीके से हम रोटेशन के हिसाब से काम कर रहे थे. मैम स्ट्राइक करना डॉक्टर्स के लिए इजी नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं है कि स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं तो रूम पे जाके सो रहे, इतना इजी नहीं होता। और हम लोग ने किसी भी तरीके से पेशेंट को हार्म नहीं पहुंचाया। अगर किसी को इलेक्टिव सर्जरीज बिल्कुल कैंसिल हुई है, कंसल्टेंट ने जो अपने लेवल पे करी है वो करी है। इलेक्टिव सर्जरी जो मैम कैंसिल हुई, जस्ट लाइक एग्जांपल लेते हैं मैम, गॉल ब्लैडर का किसी का ऑपरेशन है, अगर किसी का ऑपरेशन मैम 10 तारीख को डेट दे रखी थी और अगर वो पोस्टपोन होकर 20 तारीख को हो गया तो उसमें में किसी पेशेंट का हार्म नहीं होने वाला। अगर इलेक्टिव प्रोसीजर का मतलब ही यही होता है कि दैट इट इज अ प्लान्ड प्रोसीजर, नथिंग गोइंग टू हार्म टू द पेशेंट। इफ इट इज एन इमरजेंसी देन इमरजेंसी इज 24 आवर फॉर दिस पेशेंट।
ठीक है Dr. Bagai, but what will it take for doctors at RG Kar to come back to work? Look, doctors in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, other hospitals in Delhi that were on strike have gone back to work, but not the epicenter of these protests.
Yeah.
What can anyone do right now beyond what has already been done?
Yeah. So my take again as a summary, summary points are: we can't have a continuous distrust. I know that the hurt is extremely deep, and the pain which the family which has suffered is irreparable. But I think our inherent duty is to serve the patients. The Supreme Court of India has instituted a panel. Just let me dwell on it for 5 seconds. This is including 10 best minds of India who are all doctors. It is being monitored by a cabinet secretary rank, by a home secretary, and by the health secretary. It is being monitored under Supreme Court. So the government is also involved in this. Yes, we need a central act. Again, I repeat, yes, we need a central act. Doctors for far too long have become a wrong soft target. We've been abused, humiliated, threatened, XYZ. I think that entire gamut has to end. But the best way forward is to now start walking forward. We get back to work. In 3 weeks' time, the interim report of the National Task Force will be submitted. In 2 months' time, a final report will be submitted. The CBI is going to submit the report. And I'm pretty much sure that there will be a central act which will come in through the government. We need to trust someone sometimes. I think this is the time in which the doctors now should come forward and trust. We don't want any patient harmed, even electively.
Okay.
This is my message to everyone. We get back to work. We allow the system to
Saket
fall into
Gokhale.
place. There are positive steps forward. Let us believe at least in those small steps forward.
Okay, Saket Gokhale, yes, there was much anger against Mamata Banerjee. She's made multiple appeals to striking doctors to get back to work. They haven't. What is stopping her as the Chief Minister of West Bengal of going to RG Kar and meeting with these protesting doctors and saying, okay, I'm sorry I made these mistakes, and you've admitted that TMC has made mistakes, that the West Bengal government has made mistakes. To say, I'm sorry I made mistakes, but you need to know whose side I am on, and just get back to work. I'll deliver.
See, Ms.
Yeah,
Tondi,
I had said that last time, yes.
the problem at this point is that today, if you look on the streets of Kolkata, tomorrow, for instance, on Monday, the BJP has announced a big protest. There is BJP which has hijacked the protests that are going on in Kolkata right now. She's the chief minister has appealed to the doctors. Acha, it's just RG Kar. Other hospitals in Kolkata are functioning. The doctors there are working. So the investigation has been with the CBI for the last 10 days. As I said earlier, if you don't have faith on the state government, if that is the claim, because look, right now, we don't know who's speaking for the doctors, who's speaking for a political party. We don't know that right now. A lot of doctors have even come on the record about 2 or 3 days ago. The moment politics started coming in, the doctors have gone quiet and they've said, oh, this is not what we wanted. We didn't want political parties to come and hijack our genuine protest. So as I'm saying today, it's impossible to find out who is the legitimate voice in these protests, who's represented the doctors, who's there a politician who's been embedded there, who's from a political party. There are filmmakers from Bombay coming in for a dharna, but I don't want to go into that. All I'm saying is very simple. If you do not trust the state government, the probe has been taken away from the Kolkata police exactly 10 days ago. Status reports are being filed by the CBI and the Supreme Court. The probe is with the CBI. You don't trust the state government, fine. Trust the central government at least then. Trust the CBI, the CSF is providing you security. Now, if you say that, no, we don't trust the state government, we don't trust the central government, then I don't think even Mamata Banerjee going to the hospital or Prime Minister Narendra Modi going to the hospital is going to make any difference. As the doctor before me rightly said, you have to trust somebody. And this is not for us, this is for patients. You've taken an oath You've taken an oath to serve the patients. It's time to get back to work. It has been about almost 14 days now. It is time to get back to work.
Rajshri, 20 seconds, I have to wrap the show.
Definitely, the doctors need to dispose their duty, but ma'am,
No, so you're agreeing with the TMC and saying that doctors need to get back to work.
Let me tell you, dead body trafficking, bribe for grades, and cross-border biomedical waste
We are
trafficking.
tracking it.
Let me complete,
That
ma'am.
comes under the Home Ministry of the
20%
center.
commission on every hospital tender. The amount of atrocities that had been going on for years, even after submitting a report to the state government by the then superintendent of the hospital, he was transferred immediately after the report was submitted. The doctors are not being able to come out of this strong. You have to understand that also.
No, so how
that
long
needs
will
to
it
be
take?
dealt
No,
very
no.
patiently.
How long will it
And
take
they
for them to
not
come out of the
only
trauma?
for the doctors, they need to be assured that the government will not protect people like Sandeep Ghosh like this ever, ever and never. This Mamata Banerjee has to come out. Mamata Banerjee has to throw each and everybody, whoever is the culprit, and people dealt into the hospital and mismanagement and everything. She needs to assure the doctors.
So
Who will-
you're saying she should come out,
She should come
go
out.
to
She should
RG
say.
Kar and meet
Definitely,
doctors.
why not? If she can come out everywhere, if she can say that मुझे धमकाइए मत, मैं डर नहीं हूँ, मैं गोला बारूद खा के मैं राजनीति करता हूँ. If she can say all these things, why can't she go and meet the doctors?
I'm running out of time, but there's a point. You're saying we don't know who to speak to because the
Give me
BJP
5
has
seconds.
hijacked these
Can I have
protests.
the last
The
5
fact
seconds,
is,
please?
resident doctors are sitting outside the hospital.
Ms.
They are not
Dondia,
speaking
let
on
me tell
behalf
you
of the
something.
BJP.
Let me tell
They are
you
speaking
something
on behalf
now.
of themselves.
No,
Just speak to them.
Let me tell you, resident doctors between each other have 20 different groups. What Mr. Lahiri said right now is his party's agenda. They have student organizations also on campus belong to political
साहब
parties.
हमारा पार्टी का एजेंडा है, सब
Political
बीजेपी
groups
बन
have
गए
gone
हैं,
in there.
सब
They
बीजेपी
are the
बन
ones
गए हैं,
who are
सब
sitting
तृणमूल
on-
विरोधी
and
बन
look
गए
at
हैं,
every
सब
statement
भाजपा
that
बन
they're
गए.
making.
यही
Right.
there is only one line only.
Rajshri, let him complete his point. Go ahead, Saket. Please complete your point.
What you're seeing right now here is
Trinamool
students
has no
belonging
moral
to
right to say anything.
Rajshri, let him complete his point.
Students belonging to ABVP there have hijacked the protest. They're sitting there. The genuine doctors have either taken time off because there was a strike. They've gone home. Some of them have come back. They want to get back to work, but these politicians are not letting them get back to work. There is threat.
All
आप
rubbish
protest नहीं करोगे तो we will
allegations.
ostracize you, will put you
Okay.
aside.
All
So,
rubbish allegations.
problem.
अब
It's a
ABVP
big
आ
problem.
गया.
Okay. Okay, we'll leave it there for the moment. I'm sure this discussion will continue into the weekend. Let's just hope that doctors at RG decide to go back to work because it's been 2 weeks now. And honestly, how long can they continue to protest? We'll leave it there for the moment. Rajshri Lahiri, thank you very much. Saket Gokhale, good to have you on the show. Dr. Sanjeev Bagai, thank you very much for being with us. And Dr. Ahmed, thank you very much for being with us as well. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, I'm slipping into a quick break on the show. There's much more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.
Here